And the strong winds that you point out also affecting air travel over at DCA. And our photojournalist Trevor Taylor spent the day talking to people who know firsthand how impactful those strong winds can be.
This is a unique vantage point for me. So
we've got a really long, strong crosswind going across the main runway that they're using. And so when they're coming in or when they're leaving, they're having to counter that force pushing them off to the right. And so they'll lean into it and bank and go that way over DC or to the left of DC. That way they don't wander over the Capitol, for example.
yeah, I noticed that they're like banking a little sharply right after takeoff. I find that interesting.
When they're landing, depending on the pilot's preferred technique, they'll crab in like this and then they'll straighten out right at the last second to touch down, or they'll angle their plane into the wind and come straight in over the runway, and both techniques are perfect.
Very cool. I like the angles that they're taking when they take off.
The best thing is to make a decision and stick with it. Don't be indecisive when you're landing or taking off.
Kind of mesmerizing to
Yes.
watch.